We got some fresh Italian truffle. And I want to try a couple of classics. You were hired to eat, okay. They also keep calling this dish the carbonara that isn't.
In our second series, we will be covering Trastevere, one of the most vibrant and popular rioni in Rome. I'm Tatiana from the Roman Food Tour, and in these episodes, we will be working our way down every meal throughout a typical Roman day.
It's dinner time. Whether you're looking for a more upmarket or casual dining experience, there are many different options here in Trastevere. The four main categories to look out for are ristoranti, enoteche, osterie, and trattorie. Now, Roman food manages to continually stay relevant, and that's because the new and younger generation of restaurateurs are looking for expressive and innovative ways to present Roman classics that have been long rooted in tradition.
We are back in Trastevere, one of my favorite neighborhoods in Rome, with the amazing food reputation that it has. And we touched on the subject of carbonara a couple of times, but now we're really diving in deep. I want to take you to a restaurant called Eggs. And Eggs is a restaurant where they specialize in the ingredient of egg, which means obviously they specialize in carbonara, but not just the one. They claim to have 11 different recipes, all called carbonara. Now I want to, well, let's say try all 11 of them, maybe not in one day. That sounds a little intense, but I did invite a friend over and we're going to try 3 of her recipes to see what her secret is and if she can live up to her own claim of making the best carbonara in town. She's Barbara, I think she's waiting for me. We're gonna go inside and we're gonna try some of these dishes. Follow me. Come on, let's go. Okay, I talked my way into another kitchen. We're in the back of Eggs today, and I'm standing here with the head chef, Barbara, who invented this whole concept, and not just many new versions of the carbonara, but even other twists that you can make with eggs. So she has invited us all the way back here. She's gonna explain everything about her most famous starter, which is called the game of eggs.
Coming from the word to host, an osteria offers a very similar dining experience and format to a trattoria. Again, you're looking at classic servings of pasta and pizza, large, hearty portions, and affordable prices.
So it's got a description and everything, and then 6 different flavors for us to try. In every single flavor, the main character is eggs, but I'm not just talking chicken eggs, I'm talking caviar, quail eggs, all that kind of stuff. The first one is the crodino jello, with some boiled egg yolk, some peanuts, and then on top, a jello made out of orange. We've got a savory eggnog in the eggnog, but also on top of the eggnog, we got some fresh Italian truffle.
I love the truffle.
So the next one is called tonata. So you know vitello tonato? Okay, so they made a cream out of tuna. And they put that inside here with a little quail egg on top. And this is pulverized capers to give it that little bit of sour. So the next one is a foam of pecorino romano, right? With zucchini sticking out, yeah. And then the yellow, that is marinated egg yolk. Good?
Yeah.
Like I said, we're not just talking chicken eggs here. We're having some jelly made out of an Italian famous soda, which is not very well known outside of here. Well, next up, this is stracciatella di burrata. You have to dive in deep, deeper, deeper, deeper. And the last one is a cream made out of potatoes with caviar on top. These are very fancy eggs.
Ristoranti are more formal than trattorie and enoteche. When it comes to the menu, there's a more extensive list of options that include things like seafood, gourmet steaks, and salads. And when it comes to the prices, they tend to be slightly higher, but then again, so is the quality of food. If you're looking for a more luxurious dining experience, ristoranti are the way to go.
So I just asked her how many different carbonaras she makes. A lot of people think there's only one way to do it. She's got her secret, she's got multiple. She says currently there are 11. I emphasize currently, I think she's got plans. Gigi comunque, sono Celeste.
Piacere di conoscerti.
Piacere. All day, every day he only makes carbonara.
Sì.
It's fine, you have 11 different ones to do.
Yes. Vi faccio vedere come si fa una carbonara classica.
He's gonna show us their carbonara classico.
Classica.
Carbonara classic. So, Manuele, this is a very serious moment, very important moment.
Yeah.
There's so much controversy going around carbonara. Well, now we are in a restaurant that claims to know everything there is to know about carbonara. So I invited you to have a Roman opinion, okay, on her 3 dishes. First, we have the carbonara classico with guanciale, with egg yolk, with pecorino. Then we have the 1954. So this is with egg yolk, pecorino, pancetta, and poi Gruyere cheese.
Oh, wow.
But this is even stranger. A sauce made out of pumpkin with some sun-dried tomatoes, pasta with curry, and then toasted pine nuts, pinoli on top.
I'm very happy in this moment. I'm really, really happy.
To carbonara.
The carbonara.
Must be so hard to watch this sitting back home and you have no idea what I'm tasting and you're totally getting jealous. Well, that's the point. Come over.
Enoteque are my favorite because they are wine bars. Coming from the Greek word enotria, which means the land of wine. Nowadays, alongside an extensive menu of white, red, and sparkling wines, they tend to offer tastings of cheeses, cured meats, and other amazing specialties.
Okay, let's rate them.
I chose this for the best one.
For the best one. Ooh.
The place speaks classical because classical is a classical because the cooked up guanciale is perfect. I'm sorry for the veggie, but
it's too healthy
it's
for you,
the
isn't
third
it?
for me.
I have to say, I actually agree with you. I love this. I think it's delicious. This one is surely as tasty, but it's surprising me.
Yeah.
This one is delicious. It's a vegan version, so it's very, or it reminds us of Indian food. I think it's very clever. I think it's a very clever dish. Grazie mille. Oh, I am so full. I would say that I'm not gonna eat another egg or carbonara in the next week, but I cannot make that promise because I might come back here. Ragazzi, grazie mille, Emanuele. Thank you so much for coming. Bellissima. What a grand idea. It was delicious. Thank you so much again. Yes, you take care of the rest? Okay. Grazie, buon lavoro.
Thank you for joining us on today's episode of our Best of Rome series. Join us again next time for the series finale. We're going to be enjoying some late night cocktails, artisan liqueurs, and digestivi. Again, if you've missed any of our previous episodes, then feel free to catch up. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for even more exciting upcoming content. From all of us here at the Roman Food Tour, buon appetito!